The Vivo X200 Ultra will feature not just one, but two dedicated imaging chips, reveals a company executive. The Vivo V3 Plus independent chip will serve as a classic ISP, functioning as a post-processing powerhouse to enhance photos. Additionally, there will be a Vivo VS1, which will work as a pre-ISP. The VS1 will do the first processing steps, enhancing exposure and focus and taking care of the image stacking. It will then pass the data to the Vivo V3 Plus to do the more computationally intensive tasks such as noise reduction and sharpening. Pre-ISP module is not a first, although the exact Vivo implementation may well be. Google leverages ISPs with pre-processing in the Tensor G3 within Pixel 8 devices to optimize raw data. Apple employs Deep Fusion prior to generating the JPEG, and both Samsung and Qualcomm integrate ISP technology in their Exynos and Snapdragon chips to enhance low-light performance and dynamic range. The Vivo X200 Ultra is expected with a Snapdragon 8 Elite, which includes a built-in ISP. Nevertheless, adding dedicated chips helps achieve quicker sensor readouts and take some load off the SoC, improving power efficiency. The company stated that its flagship, set to launch in April, will deliver professional SLR-tier portrait photos, which will be enhanced by a redesigned triple flash that zooms, provides different levels of lighting depending on the focal length mode, to support the telephoto lens. An official social media post explains that it's not just the quantity of light, but also its focus on the subject. The VS1 ISP algorithm was trained using tens of thousands of SLR photographs, enabling the new flash to collaborate with the chip to deliver unparalleled accuracy in lighting, functioning as far more than a typical smartphone flash.